What is going on, guys? David Productions 345 here. Today we got another video for you guys, and it is going to be a special one. It's kind of like a three-part video. The company AUTOONE sent over a package to me. I just opened it just to make sure this is the right one. But they sent over some products for me to look at, and it's cool because there's two individual products in here. But in the third video, I'm going to be comparing these two products to a bunch of other products in the same category in terms of like brands and other brands and similar products, just to show you guys the differences. And that's going to be a cool video. I'm filming that all today, but without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. I'm going to be unboxing both of these in this video. I think I'm just going to be showing you guys both products that they sent me and then go in depth into each one. Here's the package. I ripped it open already. All right, so the company AUTOONE, they sent me a smart air pump to review. This is a specific dedicated tire inflator. And they also sent me a jump starter with air compressor. This is not sponsored. They're not paying me to say anything, so this is going to be my own opinion. Yeah, so without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. We're going to be just obviously just same clothes and all videos because it's all going to be filmed today. We're going to start out with this dedicated air pump right here. So hopefully you guys can see that right there. It shows the air pressure. It has USB output, charging input as well. The actual product name right here. So there's that. So obviously this is for cars, bikes, basketballs, and custom. Also, it says smart air pump, power bank, and LED lighting, which means I'm pretty sure I can charge my phone if it's dying. Safety is #1 priority. Cut the box open like so. All right. Real quick, packaging is simple, straightforward. It shows all the cool features, and I just like packaging like this where it shows the actual product, shows the specifications on the back, and yeah. All right, so one of the most important things is it says 2 to 150 psi, which is great. So let's pop the packaging right open. That, oh, it's a cool flip open one. Cool. And you guys can see it comes with the AUTOONE. Ooh. The AUTOONE card right here, and then the instructions right here. We might read these real quick. I'll show you guys. I'll do a quick rundown of what comes in this package right here. So I put it up on my phone. We got a smart air pump itself, a Schrader valve, a Dunlop, a Presto valve, a ball needle, a swim ring, a manual, and a charging cable. Open that up. Let's grab the compressor up first. This is a nice hefty size, and what I like about this is that it's portable. It's pretty small form factor compared to the size of my iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's legit almost the same height if you don't count this valve right here, which is cool. All right, it looks great. So there's that. Rest of the packaging, what else we got in here? Should have all the valves and stuff. All right, so you basically pull this out. And we got everything in here. Oh, it comes with a carrying case. That's awesome. Okay. So all the different valves are all in here. So this valve right here is a swim ring nozzle. So like you guys know, like pool floaters and stuff that need to be inflated. That's what this one is for right here. This is the ball needle right here. Classic for filling up sports balls. This is a Presto valve. And then we got this Dunlop valve, which might mean for tires. Oh. That is so cool. Here's the Schrader valve. So this is for the tires. Obviously comes with the charging cable to charge it up. USB-C, awesome. And then it also comes with this really cool pouch. And the best part about this pouch is that in it, it has a small little bag area. It looks like. Here's the tool itself. Let's go through real quick. This is so cool how it has a slot for this, and then you can screw it right on in. All right, so what's cool is it has this cool film on the front that shows you guys what it is. So starting, let me make sure I'm still filming. It says the actual pressure, PSI, you can change the pressure unit display, pressure preset, battery indicators right here showing you how much battery is left. And then there's different modes, so that's cool. On the side, we got a power button, plus and minus for pressure changing, U is for units, M we'll figure out together what that is, and then the bottom thing looks like brightness. So hold the power button like that. You will see what actual pressure is inside of the tire, and then you can set your desired pressure right there. So that's cool. What's the U? U is units. Yeah, so when you press the U, it changes. I'm gonna obviously keep it on PSI because, yeah. And then finally, the last button on the bottom is for the light, which is right here. There's a blinking one. Red blinking, off. That's what that is for. That's awesome. Mode is cool. Units, plus minus for pressure, and then power. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, this is nice because it's portable as well. Let me take this Schrader valve thing off the top for you guys. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, like, this is actually really cool. Look at that, fits right on in there, locks in. You got a USB-A on the top, USB-C right next to it. Long are the days past where micro USB was standard. Now this is standard. And obviously this is where you screw in the Schrader valve and your other accessories for different things. The light right there. Bottom looks like cutouts. Okay, so here's my question though, right? If I change this to, like, let's say my tires are filled to 33 or 32. Let's say my tires are filled to 32. Can I leave this and then change the mode and then will it stay at 32? That's awesome. That right there is cool. That literally means technically you could set each different thing to something else. So if you want to quickly switch between one of your cars versus your other one, you could set each one to a different pressure. Just have 5 different presets for air pressure, which is awesome. One thing I will dock points for is that it's on a hard shell case, which means it's not protected. So like this stuff, if it gets loose, can rattle everywhere, and that's the only downside to this. Retail price on this OEM is 80 bucks, and it is going for 70 right now. So the next step, guys, is we're gonna go out into the real world. Even though we're at the real world right now, we're gonna show you guys some real world examples. Alright guys, we're gonna be testing out this inflator right here. We are at a site where this tire needs to be inflated. So he just checked his PSI and he said it was a
29.
29. So this thing has an actual tire pressure reading. You'll see how accurate it is. Literally, this is really compact. It's like a power bank size for this, you guys. Alright, so power button. See, so power to 0. You might have to get closer for this to be picked up on the camera, but we'll just see what this reads at. $29.
Wow, that's accurate.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so you want this to be at 36, right? Alright guys, so look, on the side you see the plus minus, the units. We're gonna leave the units as is, and then the mode. Using the plus 36. Oh, stopwatch. As it moves. Oh wait, it's at 30.
Okay, it caught up. It takes a second. So it's what? Every roughly 90 seconds, 2 PSI?
Well, I don't know, because I don't know if that thing was updating. Like the screen itself.
Oh, yeah.
557. Let's see if it automatically stops at 36. It does. So it automatically stops at your PSI you need. Hold please. It works. I mean, in terms of the temperature, it's a little bit warm to the touch, and they did say don't put your hands on this, obviously, because it's going to be a lot warmer because this is what's going on. And like right here, when I first took this out, this was kind of hot. Now it's good. So guys, the time was around 6:21. So 6 minutes to fill up a tire from
29 to 36.
29 to 36 is actually average time. But guys, so upon further analysis, so we're going to be rating this product. So I looked up the average price and the average time of the inflator to inflate about 7 psi, because that's how much we did. It said around like 4 to 6 to 7 minutes, and this was right in the time limit. So I think this is a pretty good product, and also the price, the average price is between 60 to 100 for. Thank you. Thank you. Alright guys, so the average price of these is around 60 to 100 for a couple different brands, and this is like $70 right now on sale. I think it was $79.99 retail, and this is just on sale. So this is gonna get a solid 8 to an 8. I'm gonna give this a solid 8.25. This is a very solid product.
8.25.
This is gonna get a solid 8.25. The reason is, if it was a little bit faster and ahead of the competition, it would have got a solid 9. Also, it's portable, so it gives bonus points. Comes with a carrying case. I wish it was a hard shell. This was a hard shell case, solid 9.5. But this, like, the only problem with this is if you throw this in like a book bag, it could rattle around and potentially damage this. But I have it. Like, this is not a hard shell case, so solid 8.25. Shout out to AUTOONE for sending this out to me. Again, I'm going to be doing another test with this in a future video, part 3. So stay tuned for that, guys. Without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.